To uninstall GoLang completely, first we will open up terminal and here we will run command go space version. It means the Go is installed currently in our system. Now the steps in this video are valid only if you had installed GoLang without Homebrew at the very first place. And to check whether it was installed using Homebrew or not, we will type here brew space list, then grep and go. If you do not get anything in the output like me, then it means the GoLang is installed without Homebrew. Otherwise, it was installed using Homebrew. Now we will print the installation location of Go. For that we will run command which space go. So this is the location where Go is installed. Now we will delete this particular Go folder, and for that we will run the command sudo space rm space -rf and space, and we will give this particular path here. So we will say user local go. So I will copy and paste it here and I will hit enter. Now it is asking the password for the current Mac system, so I will provide that. Now we will run one more command here, which is sudo rm and I will say /etc/paths.d and /go, and I will hit enter now. So this will delete the Go file as well where the path information was present. Now we will verify the uninstallation. For that we will again run this command go space version. So now we are getting command not found go, which means the GoLang is uninstalled now. I hope the video was useful to you.